Good morning, students. Today, 11th chemistry class. That is a chemical bonding lesson. Chemical bonding lesson. Part 12. That is a part 12. We are discussing about part 12. Okay. So, previous class we are discussing about VPT theory. Full and full. We are discussing about VPT theory. Formation of hydrogen molecule, formation of fluorine molecule, formation of hydrogen fluoride molecule, and start formation of helium molecules, then sigma bond formation, pi bond formation. Okay. Now today question based on VPT theory. VPT theory based on one question is that this question asking from KVPY examination. KVPY is our scholarship examination. Kishore Rajat Yojana KVPY exam. The same question asking. Okay, this question based on sigma and pi bond and lone pair. That is based on VPT theory. Okay, now is the question. Calculate number of sigma and pi bond. Number of sigma, pi bond and non-bonding electrons. Sigma bond, how many sigma bond, and pi bond, how many pi bond, and non-bonding electron. That is a lone pair electron in the following compound. Okay. First examples. What is the example? CH2 double bond CH bond CH double bond CH2. Now first compound. Compound A. How many pi bond and sigma bond and lone pair? CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. How many sigma bond and pi bond? Okay. First we write the expansion structure of this molecule. The molecule structure expand pandrom. CH2. This CH2. Now double bond. This CH. The single bond. CH. Double bond. CH2. Okay. This is a expansion bond. Okay. Number of sigma bond. First. Number of sigma bond. That is a single bond. All the single bond is a sigma bond. Double bond la one bond is a pi bond. Okay. So number of sigma bond. This is a 1. This is 2. The double bond la compulsory one sigma bond present. This double bond 3. This is a 4, 5, 6. The double bond. 1. Bond is a sigma bond 7. This is a 8. This is a 9. For total number of sigma bond and how many sigma bond? 9 sigma bond. 9 sigma bond. Okay. Now number of pi bond. Number of pi bond. How many pi bonds? Okay. Double bond. Suppose carbon double bond. One bond is a pi bond. Carbon double bond la compulsory one pi bond present. Here one double bond, two double bond. This is a pi bond. This is a pi bond. So 2 pi bond present. 2 pi bond. Now number of what? This is non-bonding electrons. Non-bonding electrons. Lone pair. Here no lone pair. Lone pair absent. Lone pair compulsory present. Oxygen, nitrogen, halogen, sulfur atom. Other than carbon, nitrogen, lone pair present. Here no lone pair. That is a 0. This is the number of sigma bond, pi bond, and lone pair of electrons, non-bonding electrons. First, second example, second question. Question B. My question is that all the questions asked from KVPY examination. Question B. CH3 bond C double bond C CH. What is a mistake? This is a triple bond. Triple bond. CH3 C. Triple bond C bond CH double bond CH bond CH3. So we find the number of sigma and pi bond. First we expand the structure. The structure expand பண்ணோம். CH3. This is a CH3. C triple bond C. CH double bond CH. CH3. Okay. So number of sigma bond. Single bond la sigma bond. Number of sigma bond equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple bond la 1 sigma bond, other 2 bond, 5 bond. This is a 5, this is 5, is sigma. So total is 5, 4 plus 1, 5, is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 sigma bond. 13 sigma bond. Okay, number of bi bond. 1, 2, 3. 3 bi bond. Non-bonding electron, known pair. Non-bonding electron is a 0. No lone pair. So it is a 0. This is second example. Third, benzene. Benzene. Benzene, how many sigma and pi bond and lone pair. Lone pair lang absent in the benzene ring. So this is a benzene ring. I will expand this structure. Carbon, 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 carbon. Double bond, double bond, double bond. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Compulsory hydrogen. Okay. Number of sigma bond. Number of sigma bond. Hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, 1. First in the one. This carbon, carbon 1, 2, 3, pi bond 4, 5, 6. Carbon, hydrogen 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 sigma bond. 12 sigma bond. Number of pi bond. 3 ring, that is a 3 pi bond. Non-bonding electron 0. Non-bonding electron 0. This is a benzene uடைய sigma bond என்னது 12 sigma bond. 6 வந்து carbon carbon sigma bond. 12 வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணலாம். 6 sigma வந்து carbon carbon, 6 sigma வந்து carbon hydrogen. Total 12. 3 bi bond and a non-bonding electron. That is a lone pair of electron is 0. Now D. D is a very important compound. NH2 benzene ring, then COOCH3. Okay, COOCH3. Now first you expand the structure. Structure expand பண்ணுங்க. NH2 benzene ring, double bond, C double bond O, CH3. CH3. Here, other than carbon and hydrogen, nitrogen present, oxygen present. Here nitrogen 1 lone pair, oxygen 2 lone pair, this oxygen also 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay, for number of lone pair non-bonding electrons, how many electrons? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Number of non-bonding electron is a 10. Nitrogen 2, this oxygen 4, 2 plus 4, 6, this oxygen 4, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 electron. Non-bonding electron is a 10 electron. Non-bonding electron 10. Okay. Now next is sigma bond person. I will drop with this. Sigma bond. Number of sigma bond. Number of sigma bond. This is a sigma bond, single bond 1, 2. This is a 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 8 9 9 the hydrogen இருக்கும் 9 here not hydrogen 10 11 12 13 13 hydrogens 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 so how many sigma bond is present 20 sigma bond is present number of sigma bond 20 sigma bond present number of pi bond simple பாருங்க in a benzene ring 3 benzene 3 is present carbon oxygen வந்து ஒரு sigma bond one pi bond that's all for total 4 pi bond total 4 pi bond is present 3 plus 1 4 pi bond so number of sigma bond 20 pi bond 4 non bonding electron 10 electron non bonding electron is a 10 electron this is a 1b final question note down question number E that is the final question CH3 CH CH3 C double bond O O CH3 okay first we expand the structure expansion பண்ணும் that is why easily find the number of sigma bond CH3 CH3 CH now this CH3 then this bond double bond O this O CH3 so here non bonding பாருங்க oxygen the compulsory 2 lone pair this oxygen is 2 lone pair so total number of non bonding electrons 2 4 6 8 non bonding electrons number of sigma bond sigma bond 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 sigma bond 16 sigma bond number of pi bond only one now that is 1 pi bond okay this is the number of sigma and pi bond and non bonding electron this question asking from KVPY examination you know down okay that's all so VPT theory is over valence bond theory over not over topic over next VPT theory the hybridization this is a very important for all the entrance examination hybridization next topic is a hybridization okay you know previous class we are discussing about atomic orbital overlap atomic orbital we are discussing about overlapping concept s orbital overlapping with the p orbital bond form of methane now methane atomic number 6 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2px1 2py1 2px1 and 2py1 and 2pz1 they exist this is a lone pair that is a 4 valence cell that is the electron involving for atomic orbital overlapping 4 carbon 4 valence cell orbitals valence cell bonding orbital carbon 4 and 3 in the x 3px 3py 3py and 3pz and this s orbital. Okay. Now hydrogen, methane hydrogen, 1s1 orbital, it is overlapping. This is 1s1 orbitals, that is carbon, the hydrogens. P orbital, that is a py, pz, px. px no 1s hydrogen udiya 1s orbital overlap panna bond formation irukku. Now pz no another hydrogen udiya 1s s orbital overlap panna another bond hydrogen formation. Now third p is x orbital liya another hydrogen overlapping, another hydrogen overlapping, third bond formation. Actually, next fourth s orbital, carbon s orbital, hydrogen s orbital overlap panakum. That is hydrogen bond, H bond H. Actually, this 1, 2, 3, 4. You think about 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Actually, first bond, that is a PYO hydrogen 1XO, second bond PZO hydrogen 1S, third bond PX orbital hydrogen 1, equal distance as per VPT theory ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. So இதோட bond length equal இருக்கும். Fourth பாருங்க, fourth கார்பனுடைய 2s ஹைட்ரஜன் 1s இதோட length கம்மியா இருக்கும். இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். இது length very less as per VPT theory. But practically experiment analyze பண்றப்போ experiment decide பண்றாங்க, determine பண்றாங்க bond length. Actually இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். VPT theory பிரகாரம் இது less இருக்கும். First, second, third equal, fourth வந்து different இருக்கும், less இருக்கும். Because the overlapping of carbon 2s hydrogen 1s வந்து very short distance as per VPT theory. But experiment decide பண்றப்போ experiment எல்லாம் conduct பண்றாங்க. Experiment the 4 bond equal, 4 bond equal length, 4 bond equal length, the 4 bond equal length. That is why VPT theory failure. That is why VPT theory failure ஆயிட்டு என்ன hybridization நடக்குது. Hybridization ங்கற கான்செப்ட கொண்டு வராங்க. Hybridization கான்செப்ட கொண்டு வராங்க. Okay. Now I will explain hydrogen hybridization one by one. This topic is a very important. Hybridization explain பண்றேன். Then so many examples கொடுத்து ஃபைனலா trick easy how do you find the hybridization. ஒரே trick இருக்கு. அத வச்சு ஈஸியா we can easily within fraction of second hybridization find out பண்ணலாம், predict பண்ணிடலாம். hybridization தான் shape கண்டுபிடிச்சது. ஈஸியா டிசைன் பண்ணிடலாம். one trick இருக்கு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நிறைய explain பண்ணேன். Then I will explain lot of information for hybridization. Finally I will give the trick how do you find the hybridization. கடைசியா தான் கொடுப்பேன். Okay. First I will write the statement. Okay, hybridization na enna paakrom. This is very important topic. Compulsory JEE lo NEET le idu compulsory irukum. 2 years ku munadi, before last year, I think last year adu I3 minus molecule irukum, iodine 3 minus. What is the hybridization கேட்டோம். Very difficult question. Very difficult question. So many I will discussing about NEET JEE main question discussion பண்ண போறேன் after hybridization. அத பார்த்தா தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். Okay. First I will write the statement. The process of mixing. The process of mixing of atomic orbital. ये होना atomic orbital. Atomic orbitals belonging to the same energy. To same atom of to slightly different energy. Slightly different energy. Slightly different energy takes place between between them, resulting in the formation of new set of orbital of equivalent energy and shape is called hybridization. That is the definition. The process of mixing of atomic orbitals. ஒரு atom இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுங்க. ஒரு atoms இருக்கு. அதனுடைய atomic orbitals. Atomoda atomic orbitals. The process of mixing of atomic orbitals belonging to the same atom. For example, carbon இருக்கு. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, x1, 2p, y1. This is ground state. I will explain later. Excited state. Energy கொடுக்குற சப்ளை பண்ணா அது this electron, this valence cell shifting 2x shift off. 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Now excited state. Okay, this is a excited state. This is known as excited state. Excited state known as concept. Okay, yeah. The process of mixing of atomic orbital belonging to the same atom. This is a carbon atom. Process of mixing of atomic orbital. S orbital, p orbital, this p orbital, p orbital. இது எல்லாம் mix ஆகும். Complete mix ஆகும். Because same energy, light different energy. Same atom. பாருங்க கார்பன் ஆட்டத்திலே ஆட்டத்துக்குள்ளே mix ஆகுது. To slightly different energy. கொஞ்சம் தான் energy different because second cell, the K cell, this L cell, second cell na energy equal இருக்கும். கொஞ்சம் difference இருக்கு. Between the resulting in the formation of new set of orbital form ஆகுது. இது எல்லாம் mix ஆகுது. What? 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz. How many orbital, atomic orbital mix ஆகுது? 3 atomic orbital mix ஆகி to form new set of orbital. And the orbitals எல்லாமே equivalent energy, not a slight difference. அது எல்லாமே equivalent energy and the shape is called hybridization. பாருங்க இதுக்குள்ள hybridization எல்லாம் mixing ஆகும், intermixing of atomic orbital. How many orbital involved ஆகுது? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 atomic orbital. 4 hybrid orbital form. How many orbitals involved ஆனாலும் 4 atomic orbital involved, 4 hybrid orbital. 2 atomic orbitals involved, 2. 3 atomic orbital involved, 3 hybrid orbital form. 4 atomic orbital is intermixing. Valence cell உள்ள carbon உள்ள valence cell 4 atomic orbital intermixing to form 4 hybrid orbital. இதனுடைய எனர்ஜி 4 ஹைபிரிட் ஆர்பிட்டாலுடைய எனர்ஜி அண்ட் ஷேப் சேமா இருக்கும். ஷேப்பும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். 4 ஹைபிரிட் ஆர்பிட்டாலுடைய ஷேப், எனர்ஜி எல்லாம் சேம்னா அது ஈக்குவல். அதோட ஷேப் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹைபிரிட் ஆர்பிட்டால் ஷேப் இது. 1 லூப் ஹையா இருக்கும், another லூப் லோவா இருக்கும், ஸ்மால் சைஸ். இதுதான் ஹைபிரிட் ஆர்பிட்டாலுடைய ஷேப். One loop big size, second loop big size, this second loop small size. But atomic orbital வந்து s க்கு இதனுடைய ஷேப் p, இது s p இப்படி இருக்கும். டிஃபரண்ட் ஷேப் s க்கு p க்கு எல்லாமே டிஃபரண்டா இருக்கும். பட் ஹைபிரிட் ஆர்பிட்டால் பொறுத்தவரை ஷேப், எனர்ஜி சேமா இருக்கும். ஆல் ஹைபிரிட் ஆர்பிட்டால் இப்படிதான் இருக்கும். எல்லாமே இப்படிதான் இருக்கும். ஆல் shape. ஒரு loop big size இருக்கும், another loop small size இருக்கும். Okay, later we'll discussing. Now this is a process of hybridization. Second point, Second point. The new orbitals formed. New orbitals thus formed are known as hybrid orbitals. New orbital formed are known as hybrid orbitals. New orbital is known as hybrid orbital. New orbital form orbital, that is known as hybrid orbital. Second point. It is a hypothetical concept. Hypothetical concept, and has introduced by they are introduced பண்ணாங்க. Who is introduced? Pauling and Slater. Pauling and Slater. So இது ஒரு hypothetical na ஒரு imaginary concept தான். Not theoretically proof பண்ண கிடையாது. Experimentally is not proof. This is a hypothetical concept. இப்படி இருக்கலாம். அதனால hypothetical concept. இது very important ஆன ஒரு topic. Very important topic. Higher study க்கு எல்லாம் யூஸ் ஆகும். Then third point. The energy required for excitation. Carbon பார்த்தோம்ல ground state and excitation. இது எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னா of electrons becomes available. எங்க கிடைக்கும்? Available. The energy available when combining atom approach to each other. When combining atom approach each other. Approach each other. Because energy is released when combining atom approach each other. When combining atom approach each other. So carbon பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 இது ground state. 1s2 2s2 2px1 2py1 2pz0 2pz0 இது excited state. carbon உடைய excited state. இப்போ எனர்ஜி சப்ளை பண்ணோம். சப்ளை பண்றப்போ this valence cell இருக்குல்ல, this paired electron shifted to the z orbital. So 1s2 2s1 2px1 2py1 2pz1. Okay, this is the atomic orbital. The 4 atomic orbital hybrid sp 4 hybrid orbital form. 4 hybrid orbital form. So இந்த excited state க்கு எனர்ஜி எங்க இருந்து கிடைக்குது? நார்மலா நடக்காது. இந்த எலக்ட்ரான் ஜம்ப் ஆகாது. when is the excited state takes place na energy supply பண்ணும். heat energy supply பண்ணும். அப்பதான் என்னது? the electron transfer ஆகும். so அந்த heat energy எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னா கார்பன் methane formation வெச்சுக்கோ. you think about methane, carbon, hydrogen. The hydrogen atom. The energy required for excitation. The excitation hourly energy required for excitation becomes available when combining atom approach each other. The combining atom hydrogen. close each other, approach each other, because the energy released the close over the carbon the hydrogen close over energy release and the energy carbon utilize பண்ணிட்டு excited ஆகுது. Okay, நம்ம additional supply பண்ண தேவையில்லை. We need not additionally supply. When atom combine ஆறப்போ energy release ஆகும். That energy is utilized for excitation. This is the third point. Okay, now fourth point. Fourth point. The shape of hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital shape is the same. The shape of hybrid orbitals is like that. P orbital மாதிரி இருக்கும். But except that the two loops as unequal in size. Size வந்து unequal இருக்கும். P orbital வந்து size same equal இருக்கும். இதனுடைய size two loop size equal for P orbital. But hybrid orbital unequal size இருக்கும். Unequal na one loop big size, another loop small size. This is a hybrid orbital. Unequal size. This is a hybrid orbital, unequal size. One small loop and small loop. What is the sign? Negative sign. Small loop, negative sign. Big loop, positive sign. This is a positive big loop. This is a small loop. What is the shape? What is the sign? Negative sign. Big loop, positive sign. Big loop, positive sign. Okay. So this is a hybridization. Okay. You know down. Next, salient feature of hybridization. Hybridization of character. Hybridization வருதுன்னு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லயே சொல்லிட்டேன். Because methane உடைய bond length equal கிடையாது. Overlap ஆறப்போ அதனால hybridization வந்துனா equal set of hybrid orbital form ஆகுது. Okay. Now salient features of hybridization. Salient feature of hybridization. That is the features of character of hybridization. Salient features of hybridization. Hybridization உடைய characters. Okay. The first characters பார்ப்போம். It's a very important point. Everything is need at J main phase. So in video compulsory watch பண்ணிக்க இல்லனா it's very difficult. School when it's opening I don't know. So you note down class workல ஒரு டைம் வீடியோ பார்த்து class work நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ. If you full complete காப்பி பண்ண பிறகு ஏதாவது டவுட்னா வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். Then you read the textbook. That is notes and textbook. Textbook தாண்டி தான் நிறைய இருக்கு. So many points இந்த extra points தான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். And questions textbook இல்லாத questions தான் இருக்கு. Okay. Now salient features of hybridization. First point. Only atomic orbitals A1 atomic orbitals of nearly same energy. Belonging to same atom. Or ions takes part in hybridization. only another, what's the first features padina atomic orbital nearly same energy irukum, nearly same energy belonging same atom. For example padunga, carbon 1s2 2s2 2 excited state idina 1s2 2s2 2px1 2py1 2pz1. Okay, this is a K cell, the L cell. K cell energy different from L cell. Okay, இது மட்டும் தான் hybrid ஆகும். sp3 later I will discussing a type, இது மட்டும் தான் hybrid ஆகும் because equal energy in the s 2s 2px 2py1 2pz full same energy. So அதுக்குள்ள தான் hybridization நடக்கும். Never hybridization in the orbital involve ஆகாது because energy difference high. 1s க்கும் 2s க்கும் அதாவது k cell க்கும் L cell க்கும் energy different ஆ இருக்கறதால never hybridization, never hybridization. That is only atomic orbital nearly same energy இருக்கணும். இது எல்லாம் nearly same energy, இது complete same energy, இது different energy belonging to same atom, இது same atom தான் இருக்கு or I am caught in hybridization. So இது மட்டும் தான் hybridization ல involve ஆகாது. Never this orbital involved because energy is different than this. Okay, this is the first part. Second features, the number of hybrid orbital. Number of hybrid orbital is equal to the number of atomic orbitals. That get hybridized, that hit hybridized. So you பாருங்க, how many atomic orbitals involved was 2s ஒன்னு, இது 2 3 4 atomic orbital hybridization la involve ஆகுது. That is number of hybrid orbital is equal to number of atomic orbital. So இதனால என்னது 4 hybrid orbital form ஆகும். So number of atomic orbital is equal to number of hybrid orbital. இதனோட 4 hybrid orbital is formed. Okay, now third salient feature, first two over, you note down class work la compulsory you write down, then why you are understanding. Third, a hybridized orbital orbitals are always equivalent energy, energy and shape. So hybridized orbital, the four hybridized orbital always equivalent energy இருக்கும் and the shape same இருக்கும். இங்க பாருங்க 4 hybrid orbital கார்பன் வச்சுக்க 4 hybrid, இதுல 1 2 3 4 பாருங்க ஷேப் எல்லாம் ஒரே மாதிரி equal shape, energy 4, இந்த 4, this is a hybrid orbital. Shape same, energy same, but atomic orbital shape different ஆகும். P வந்து what is the shape, double shape, S வந்து spherical shape different இருக்கும். But hybrid orbital shape same இருக்கும், அதே time energy same. Here energy different ஆகும், slightly different 2s விட 2p கொஞ்சம் high இருக்கும், slight difference. Here equal energy இருக்கும். Hybrid orbital is a equal energy. This is the third feature. Fourth, the electron waves in hybrid orbital repel each other. repel each other and thus tends to be farthest apart. This hybrid orbital, this 1, this 2, 3, 4. Each hybrid orbital wave function. Then electron waves in hybrid orbital. This electron present hybrid orbital electron present. Electron present. So this electron repel out because negative charge repel. This repel. So the repel and thus tends to be farthest apart. Distance okay, this is a very beautiful point. Now, fifth property, salient feature. Fifth, hybrid orbital forms only sigma bond. Hybrid orbitals form only sigma bond. Very important point. Only sigma bond. The pi bond always excluded from hydrogen. Pi bond always excluded from hybridization. So in organic chemistry, only sigma bond is involving for hybridization. Pi bond is hybridization. For example, previous questions formula. This is a one compound. This is sigma bond, pi bond. Okay, in the sigma bond formation, hybridization. The sigma bond is hybridization. Pi bond never hybridization. Hybridization and pi bond is a link. Later we will discuss. No link between hybridization and pi bond. Only linking between sigma bond and hybridization. Hybridization, sigma bond only form. Pi bond never formed. Pi bond is never formed. Fifth properties. Now sixth. Sixth properties. The hybrid orbital orbitals are more effective in forming stable bond than pure atomic orbital. So hybrid orbitals are more stronger. The bond form is stronger. Hybrid orbital bond formation very strong than atomic orbital, pure atomic. Valence bond theory is failure. Valence bond theory only dealing with atomic orbital now, but hybridization is not dealing with valence bond theory. So hybridization forming hybrid orbital, and the hybrid orbital utilizing for bond formation is a very strong than atomic orbital. This is the sixth property. Now seventh salient feature. The hybrid orbital. These hybrid orbital are directed in space in some preferred direction. direction nature, to have minimum repulsion, to have minimum repulsion. Minimum repulsion, electron repulsion between electron pair. Electron pairs and the stable arrangement. And thus a stable arrangement. Stable arrangement. Okay, you see carbon, 4 hybrid orbitals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The electron, this is a hybrid orbital. This is a hybrid orbital. In this hybrid orbital, electron present. Electron present. So these hybridized orbitals are directed in space. Correct space because in some preferred direction, comfortable direction. Because what is the reason? Minimum repulsion. If it closer, suppose imagine it is closer, repulsion. So avoid repulsion. To avoid repulsion between the electron pairs, and the stable arrangement. This is stable arrangement. This is the salient features of hybridization. Now, condition for hybridization. What condition necessary for hybridization? What condition necessary for hybridization? What is the condition? Condition for hybridization. What is the condition necessary for hybridization? What conditions there? Hybridization. For 6 point condition. We are discussing about 6 conditions. Okay. First condition. The orbitals undergoing hybridization should equal energy, should have almost equal energy. Different energy now is not formation. Almost equal energy. That is the same energy. The first condition. Second, promotion of electron. Excited state formula. Promotion of electron is not essential condition. Condition essential condition prior to hybridization. The important condition, but one of the main conditions. Sometimes it is apply, sometimes it is not apply. Promotion of electron. Paired electron lane nadakkum. Paired electron. So suppose this unpaired pair. This S, PX, PY, PZ. This is hybridization. Promotion of electron. Paired is involved. But VPT theory half-filled compulsory is necessary. VPT theory half-filled compulsory is orbital overlap. But in paired in the hybridization. If paired in the hybridization. Now third, it is not necessary. It is not only half-filled. VPT theory. Half-filled orbitals participate in hybridization. It's not a condition, sir. In some cases, even filled orbitals. Even filled orbitals of valence shell take part hybridization. Valence shell take part in hybridization. So valence shell paired hybridization நடக்கும். Paired. But VPT theory la unpaired compulsory condition இதுல paired இருக்கலாம். Hybridization. This is the third condition. Fourth condition, the orbital present in valence shell. Orbital present in valence shell of the atom are hybridized. Only valence shell மட்டும் involved. Inner cells not involving. Okay, inner cell only orbital present in valence shell of the atom are hybridized, but inner cell is not involving for hybridization. Outermost cell only involving for hybridization, not inner cell. Fifth, the molecule of regular geometry. Molecule of regular geometry if all the hybrid orbital after overlapping contains shaped pair of electron, shared pair of electron. Sixth condition, molecule of regular geometry if all hybrid orbitals after overlap ஆன பிறகு hybridization நடந்து overlap ஆன பிறகு அதுல shared pair of electron present ஆகும். Regular geometry ல இருக்கும். Geometry னா linear shape, linear, trigonal, planar, tetrahedral, octahedral இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Hybridization ல என்ன shape னு பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகே. இது fifth. Sixth, the five condition is necessary for hybridization. The five condition of satisfaction on hybridization will take place. Okay. Okay. Today this video session is over. Part 12 over video session. We still இது வரைக்கும் hybridization தான் பார்த்திருக்கோம். Next video session part 13 ல type of hybridization. Variety of type இருக்கு. அந்த hybridization ஒவ்வொண்ணா பார்க்க போறோம். Then அதனுடைய ஷேப் ஹைபிரிடைசேஷன் ஆனா என்ன ஷேப், தென் ட்ரிக் ஃபார் ஹைபிரிடைசேஷன் எப்படி ஈஸியா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றது அது ஃபைனலா சொல்லிட்டு தென் क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் நீட் டு ஜெய் மெயின் क्वेश्चंस ஃபார் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் விபிடி தியரி அண்ட் ஹைபிரிடைசேஷன் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் தியரியும் அந்த விபிடி தியரி அண்ட் ஹைபிரிடைசேஷன் பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி क्वेश्चंस டிஸ்கசிங். ஓகே, this is it. Today class over. You take a class work note, you write down. கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் எழுதுனா தான் உன்னால ஆன்சர்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும், ரீடிங் பண்ண முடியும். அண்ட் ஒரு டைம் தான் வீடியோ பார்க்கணும். அந்த ஒரு டைம் பார்த்தோன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ பார்க்கணும், கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் எழுதிட்டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு 3 times ஸ்டடி பண்ணா போதும். நாட் நெசசரி கண்டினியூஸ் வாட்சிங் த வீடியோ. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. வி வில் see the next class. Thank you.